How to create or add custom emojis in Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, you can either open your account through your browser or simply open your Slack application. Once you open your account, simply select the channel where you want to create or add custom emojis. After that, we'll have to go on the bottom and then tap on this emoji icon. And then in here, you will now see this option, Add Emoji. And then after that, we can now upload our custom emoji. To do that, tap on this upload image, and then our file will be automatically open. Simply select your emoji, and then after that, tap on the open option. And as you can see, it is automatically uploaded here. After that, we also need to add a name. So as an example, I'm gonna type here cat's heart, and then after that, simply tap on the save option. So if you want to use the custom emoji that we just added, all we need to do is to tap on this emoji icon, go to the search bar, and then simply type here the name of the emoji. After that, select your emoji, and then in here, as you can see, it is automatically added. All we need to do is to tap on this arrow icon to send the emoji. So that's how easy we can create or add custom emojis in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!